Hi, my name is Stephen Weber, and I'm building Rook, a desktop application that cleans your data faster using AI. So let's get started by selecting the CSV file. And I can see the number of records, missing cells, and duplicate rows. I'm going to click this, remove duplicate records. And in the background, it's actually generating Python code. So I can customize it and automate it and all that kind of stuff. There's no lock-in to this application at all. I can scroll down and see each column, select any columns that I don't want to use, or rename them. I'm going to click Next, and here's where AI particularly shines. It has randomly sampled the data, recommended different types for it, understand the attributes, and even recommended transformers, ways of standardizing the data. So here I can actually see each of these look good. I like the transformers it's using. It looks like I have some outliers here, so I'm going to check that, and I can get the statistics for it. Looks like there's 2 outliers. Hard to tell by the distribution, but let me check out the value. There's 2 zeros here, so it must be some bad data. I'm going to chop those off, click Set Range, and fixed Unicode issues. Looking good, though. I'm going to click Next, and now I'm ready to clean. I can click this and generate the code behind it. And I can also even split data for machine learning purposes. I'm going to click Run. And as it's cleaning the data, it's also generating the code. Here I can see the number of records after the cleaning, number of records removed, data validation issues, and I can view those. Here's my file list, clean data set, profiling report, and the Python script to automate this. Here's my sample, and I'm good to go. So please check it out. If you're interested in getting development updates as we go along, please sign up, and thank you so much for your time. Bye.